Hello everyone, I am Daniel's son. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, I Can Draw by Deborah Schecter. I can draw a seal. I can draw a seal. I can draw a clown. I can draw a clown. I can draw a king. I can draw a king. I can draw a crown. I can draw a crown. I can draw a sheep. I can draw a sheep. I can draw a bed. I can draw a bed. I can draw myself to sleep. I can draw myself to sleep.